Hi, I'm Bree.
And I'm Gigi.
We will talk about parts of the animal behavior unit.
Animal behavior can be inherited through genes, which is innate behavior, or it can be learned through interactions with the environment.
Behavior that is influenced by genes is molded by natural resources and other evolutionary forces.
As a result, genetically based behaviors should increase the fitness or reproductive success of the individual.
There are many kinds of animal behaviors. Today, we'll be talking about 4 of them.
They are instinct, associative learning, trial and error, and spatial learning.
Before we move on, let's introduce our test subject. This is Sadie. She's a Maltese Poodle mix.
The first animal behavior that we will be talking about is instinct. Instinct is behavior that is innate or inherited. It is natural and has been with the animal since birth.
An instinctive response happens automatically and is the same or similar across all individuals of a species.
An animal adjusts its behavior based on experience, when experience at one time provides information that will be useful at a later time.
An example of instinct behavior is that Sadie was taught since birth to go towards a food stimulus when she smells food.
Sadie. Sadie. The next type of behavior is associative learning.
Associative learning occurs when an animal recognizes that 2 or more events are connected.
We are going to test this type of learning by showing Sadie a leash, and she will get excited to go on a walk.
Sadie, do you want to go on a walk? Yeah? The next type of learning is called trial and error, or also known as operant conditioning.
It occurs when an animal connects its own behavior with a particular environmental response.
If the response to the action has positive reinforcement, the animal will repeat the behavior in order to receive a reward once again. If the response is, for example, painful or unpleasant, the animal will avoid the behavior.
This is the general structure for most animal training by humans.
Dogs and other animals show this type of learning when they beg for food. Some people respond and give them food, while others do not.
The last type of behavior is called spatial learning.
This occurs when an animal associates attributes of a location with the reward it gains by being able to identify and return to that location.
We are going to test this type of learning behavior by showing Sadie where a treat is. Then take her to another room and see if she will know where the treat is and go back for it. Let's go get it. Come on.
Go get the treat. Good girl. In general, animal behavior and their ability to learn has evolved in order to increase individual fitness.
In conclusion, animals behave based on what they are born with, what they have learned, and what will give them a positive response.
Thank you for listening.